Hello guys, in this video I will present you a scanner, an OBD interface, OBDII, that I've purchased off AliExpress. It is this model ELM 327. And I searched it on AliExpress to fit my my car, my Renault Clio Mark III from 2011, 1.2 liter petrol engine and aftermarket LPG, 75 horsepower. This was recommended to me by my dear friend Hirayama, which you'll be able to see his channel. He's really amazing when it comes to car engines, to LPG installations, and he helped me a lot by advising me over the years, even with the car lights, the halogens. So I took his advice once again and purchased this this device after I had issues with the engine misfires in some of the cylinders. Over time there were various problems, most of them caused by the or maybe all of them caused by the improper calibration of the LPG installation, the LPG system on my car, or the injectors weren't calibrated. They didn't have the exact same opening on all four of them. Otherwise, on petrol, the engine is like Hirayama says, it's a tank. It runs flawlessly. Let's say about a month ago, because the LPG station where I usually went to refuel was closed due to some issues, as I told you in one of the previous videos. I went on another important major one. It's right, let's say, in the middle of the city, next to the train station in my town, and I've fueled there a full tank of LPG. After 250 kilometers, the engine on LPG started to, let's say, almost stall out, to be like in a limp mode. When I pressed the acceleration, the car was literally slowing down. Even it felt like I was braking. Okay. When I switched on petrol, everything ran perfectly fine. After I saw that problem, you can imagine I thought of the worst. I thought the injector ramp is offset again. I have to take it to calibrate it again. I thought the filters were clogged out. I thought I passed the 15,000 kilometers interval at which I have to go and make the changes with those two filters for the LPG. Everything you can think of, but the last thought was, man, last time I refueled where I don't usually. Let's go back to my initial LPG station and see if the pump is all repaired, all good, and at least refuel with the gas I've consumed. I did so, and the car ran perfectly fine on LPG, like nothing happened. But this lasted until 290 kilometers this time, and today again the history repeated itself. The same thing, although I still had LPG in the tank. So when I accelerate, the RPMs would drop, the speed would drop as well. You can imagine how it feels like to press the acceleration and the car to brake, or at least to you actually feel that it doesn't have the power. Something is wrong. It's not injecting the fuel, the LPG in this case, like it should. Again, I did the same thing. I went to the good petrol station, fueled with LPG, and the car runs perfect again, like nothing happened. What I think is that so you see, now it started on petrol, and really soon it will switch on LPG. Right now it's on LPG, so you see nothing, it's unmoved. The RPMs remained the same, and the car drives and feels perfectly okay. But what I think is that when I went to the bad LPG station, they actually mixed it with a lot of air. Hopefully it wasn't, I don't know, water. I don't know if they can even mix it like that, but yeah. So let's see if after these two bad situations, let's see if I still got some engine misfire. Let's turn on the AC. The OBD location for the Renault Clio Mark III is located right here. Let's see if I can show it to you. So it is here under the dashboard, and you need to pull it out somehow. Let's see if I can this time. You need to pull from it, and it will pop out. So here's how it looks. We need to insert like this. So it will be basically upside down or downwards. And we need to connect it to the smartphone with this app, Car Scanner. You download it from the store, the App Store, and we just need to wait a bit, connect it to the OBDII. It will see it right away. Okay, let's say no for now. Okay, I don't want any notifications. So here we have dashboard, live data, all sensors, diagnostic trouble codes, and some other. Not all are let's say available. Maybe some will need some extra costs. But if we press the dashboard, we see basically the fuel consumption, on idle, and numerous other RPMs. So 850 on LPG. I think it's quite okay. Let's hit back. But again, dashboard, let's see. Okay, so this is the digital RPM display, and the coolant temperature, it's not oh, it's here, it's 83 degrees, so almost, let's say, warmed up to 90. It's okay. And this is the speedometer, of course. Okay, let's hit back and see diagnostic trouble codes. Okay, let's try to select everything. So we select everything by clicking this here, and let's read them. You see, when these error codes are red, the dashboard will turn on all the let's say lights. Also, we see the temperature on the coolant went off chart, but don't worry, this is just during this test. And here it is. So we have the heated oxygen sensor, circuit malfunction. I don't think this is okay. Heated oxygen sensor, circuit malfunction, test failed since last DTC clear, test not completed during this operation cycle. And yeah, for now what I see, the temperature is really is really high. I mean, if you look at there, hopefully it will drop. I never saw the temperature indicator so high. Again, fuel trim, test failed, cylinder 4 misfire, single cylinder misfire, cylinder not specified, and again the heated oxygen sensor. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea that I purchased let's say that oxygen or map sensor on AliExpress. I still have the old one. I will try to put it back and see if the issue still will remain. But for now I will clear all of them. Let's read just the first two ones, and I will try to stop the engine and see if I will turn it back on, if it will be still like that at that high temp. Okay. Here we have the all sensors. You can see the voltage 13.6 of the battery, 13.9, so it's really good. And live data, let's hit separate. So this is the voltage. You can see it went up even to 14.2, but basically 13.6, 13.9 volts. Yeah, power steering. Engine control unit, everything you can imagine. But yeah, I still got some engine misfire, and this is really unfortunate. Let's stop it. And yeah, it's really strange that the gauge doesn't go down. But anyway, I will soon have to go to the service to change the oil, and I will tell the guys there to check out this issue. Let's see one more time if I can read all the diagnostic codes. Okay, so now the gauge went down, thank God. And it's where it should be, right about there. Okay, so that is the correct position. So we got that out of the way with another scan, and let's see if we still get any errors, any codes. So everything was cleared, but of course this will be the case until I don't know when it will decide to do that so-called limp mode, that engine misfire, due to the, I'm pretty sure, due to the bad gas, bad LPG in the tank, that it's still present. Hopefully with time, as I go and refuel, this issue will go away. But this is a glimpse of what a bad fuel can do to your engine. And believe me, I would have not went there if the petrol station where I usually fuel my car, if the LPG pump there would have been functional. So this is it, guys. If we want to stop the process, we hit disconnect. We take out the OBDII device and put back this cap. Don't lose it, and try not to break or pull out all the dashboard when you try to take this out. Basically would need a screwdriver would be better, but oh no, this is how you open it, really easy. Let me show you. So you press down with your thumb, press down and pull it downwards. It's as simple as that. So don't pull it upwards, because I literally took out the dashboard on the lower part. Just press down, and this is how easy you take it out. That's it. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. May you have your car all the time running perfectly. Stay away from bad fuel. Try to see if one time happens, don't ever go back to that place again. And really take care wherever you are, and try to, as much as possible, to avoid not only bad fuel but also bad people. I'm telling you, we live in times that not everyone, but the people that were in their fiber, in their essence, dark, they have gotten even worse. Don't try to face them, to confront them. Simply evade them, avoid them, go around them without saying anything, and let the universe do you justice. All you can do is to respect the Dharma, be as good as you can, and let karma consume its effects. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are. Bye bye.